Multiple regression helps us understand how several factors influence one outcome all at the same time. Imagine a bakery wants to understand what drives the number of customer complaints each day. They start with 6 possible factors: oven temperature, mixing time, flour batch, operator, shift, and humidity. Instead of guessing which factors matter, they collect data and build a regression model. The model shows how strongly each factor is linked to the number of complaints, while considering the other factors at the same time. In our example, oven temperature has a strong effect, mixing time also matters, and the flour batch has a meaningful influence. These are the 3 factors we want to keep in the final model. But operator and shift have very little effect, so they can be removed. Humidity appears to have an effect too, but there is a catch. It is telling us much the same story as oven temperature. Keeping both could effectively count the same influence twice. So the final model focuses on the 3 factors that genuinely help explain complaints: oven temperature, mixing time, and flour batch. The key idea is simple. Multiple regression helps us separate the signal from the noise, identify the factors that really matter, and build a simpler model that can help us predict and improve the process.